These aren't just images. These are complete stories told by artificial intelligence, scenes that feel cinematic, characters that remain perfectly consistent, and a sense of continuity that most AI tools can only dream about. Hey guys, welcome back to AI Border, where we explore the smartest and most creative AI tools on the planet. And today, we're diving into something completely new, Higgsfield Popcorn. This isn't just another image generator. It's a multi-scene storyboard director, an AI editor, and a visual storyteller, all in one single tool. Most AI image generators can create beautiful single pictures, but the moment you try to make them sequential or tell a story, everything falls apart. The character's face changes, the lighting shifts, the clothes look different, and suddenly the entire feeling of your story disappears. That's where Higgsfield Popcorn comes in. This tool is built to maintain complete consistency across multiple images, giving you cinematic continuity from start to finish. You can upload up to 4 reference images and generate up to 8 connected shots that look like they're all from the same film. In fact, you can think of it as a real storyboard creator, something that truly understands visual storytelling. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment. Share your thoughts or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. When you enter the website higgsfield.ai, you'll see the Popcorn tab at the top. Click it, and you'll step into a clean, minimal interface. Here there are 2 main modes, auto and manual. In auto mode, you just describe your idea in 1 sentence, and Higgsfield Popcorn automatically creates a cohesive visual story with up to 8 related frames. In manual mode, you can write scene by scene exactly what happens. For example, describe what's in scene 1, scene 2, and so on up to scene 4 at the end, which means you get full creative control over every part of your story. It's like directing your own short film, frame by frame, without needing a camera, a filming crew, or lighting equipment. Let's test it out. I'll upload just 1 reference image, only 1, and write a simple prompt. A female detective searching for clues in an unsolved murder case. Noir film style, old black and white cinema. Now I click Generate for free and watch what happens. In just a few seconds, Popcorn gives me 5 perfectly consistent frames, all in the same mood, with the same lighting, and that signature cinematic feel. Each image looks like a frame from an old detective movie. And here's the best part. It's not just the same picture with filters. Each output visually advances the story. The detective moves, looks around, interacts with her environment, and yet her appearance stays exactly the same. That's the power of Higgsfield's soul, the AI model behind Popcorn. Now let's check out manual mode. Here I can upload multiple reference images, up to 4, and write my own short story. For example, Scene 1. A traveler arrives at a foggy port city. Scene 2. He finds an old camera that shows the future. Scene 3, a mysterious woman appears and warns him of a danger. Scene 4, the camera reveals a shocking secret. Then I click Generate for free. And here it is, my 4 consistent images that share the same lighting, atmosphere, and fixed character. You can feel the tension of the story, like stills from a real movie. This is where Popcorn truly shines. Visual storytelling with emotion and logic. Now, let's talk about why it's called the Nano Banana Killer. Both Nano Banana and Seedream are good image generation tools, but when it comes to maintaining consistency across frames, they fall short. If you ask them to keep the same character or lighting across scenes, they usually fail. You might get one amazing image, but the next one feels like it's from another universe. With Popcorn, you finally reach the storytelling level of Sora 2, but with full control. Let's see another example. I upload 2 character images and 1 background image. Then I write this prompt. Place the man from the first image and the woman from the second image in the environment of the third image. Keep their poses and lighting consistent. And the result? Popcorn nails it. Same facial expressions, same clothes, same lighting. As if a professional photographer shot them from multiple angles. In short, Popcorn changes the game. AI image generation is no longer just about making a pretty picture. Now it's about directing a sequence as a visual story with consistency, control, and cinematic emotion. And that's exactly why Higgsfield calls Popcorn the new golden standard in image editing. If you've ever dreamed of creating your own film scenes, storyboards, or connected image sets without complicated software, this is it. You can try Higgsfield Popcorn for free right now using the links in the description. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and as always, this is AI Border, where we bring the future of creativity frame by frame.